Hey everyone, welcome back. If the CommBank app keeps saying your session expired or logs you out, is usually a security feature. First, make sure that you are using a stable connection and avoid using sessions while logged in. After that, disable battery saver or background app restrictions for the CommBank app. Then head over to your app store, search for the app, and make sure that your app is updated. Sometimes issues like session expired or logged out issues happens because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it if available. If the issue continues, go ahead and log out of the app completely and then restart your phone. After restarting your phone, only log back in again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.